Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good crumble pie, apple pie. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to peel 8 good sized apples. Okay, we're going to put the apples in first. And then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with a 1/3 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 tablespoon of lemon extract, and we're just going to mix all this together. Not worry, my hands are clean. I always clean my hands before I do any of this kind of stuff. Okay, we're going to add first going to add our a 1/2 cup of stick of butter. Add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, then 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're going to take a pastry cutter. Oh yeah, hang on, we need one more ingredient. And the last ingredient, we need 1 cup of flour. And that's all we need. Now all we gotta do is use our pastry. And you just want to kind of crumble the butter into the mixture real good. Okay, that's what you're looking for right there. We're gonna put this to the side for just a second, because what we want to do is we want to sprinkle this all over this pie. And then we're going to put this into the oven for about 350 for about 25 to 45 minutes until it's done. Here we go. Oh, that looks so delicious. I like that piece right there. Oh, that looks so good. Very delicious. Okay, we're gonna cut that piece right there. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test right there. Look at that. Apple pie. That's good. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.